Hi everyone, this is Josa. Today I'm going to show you for breakfast is how to make banana pancakes. Here's all the ingredients. Let's get started. On a plate, by using fork, start mashing bananas. And when you're done, just set the banana on the side, and in a bowl, add half cup of flour, add coconut milk. By using whisk, mix coconut milk and flour together until there were no lumps. Then add egg and mix until well combined. When egg has been well combined to the mix, then add mashed bananas. Again, whisk bananas to the mixtures until smooth. Then add sugar if desired and baking soda. Then start folding them into the mixture. The batter should be thick and creamy in consistency. Let's start cooking. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over low-medium heat and wipe over with a little butter or oil to lightly grease pan. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan and spread out gently into a round shape with the back of your ladle or measuring cup. When the underside is golden and bubbles begin to appear on the surface, flip with the spatula and cook until golden. Then repeat with the remaining batter. It's tasting time. You can serve the banana pancake with honey, a little bit of butter, maple syrup, or fruit, or enjoy it plain. It's up to you. There you have it, a simple, fast, easy to make banana pancake for breakfast. Let's eat. Delicious. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel.